Guys, I'm reviewing Janemba and Goten. So, can I show you the figures? So this Goten and Janemba. Please subscribe and comment. Start off with my Goten here. He's with the Kamikaze Ghost. So Goten has a jacket with the yellow jacket and the abs and the muscles. And in the episode when Trunks and Goten was born, don't have tail. I don't know why. We don't have tail, but when Gohan's born, he have a tail. I think maybe Bulma and Chi-Chi cut the tail of Goten and Trunks when they were still young. Okay, that's a possibility. That's only a theory. If yeah. Please, if you know the who cut the tail of Trunks and Goten, please comment there and subscribe to me. If you subscribe, I'm gonna make review on my call this Trunks, future Trunks with Saiyan armor. Then I review it if you subscribe. So the figure is a black shoe with a green belt, and there's a mark in his hair, as you can see. I hate that mark. Can I get off? But let's see the face. It's really angry. Really angry. So yeah. Gonna review now on my Janemba. He's gonna have a quick turn, 360 turn after this. A 360 turn. So I'm gonna show you my figures there. You can see this, there are my figures. But that's not only my figures. I have also figures upstairs. I have so lot of figures, more than 15 like that. I have also an imperfect cell. I have only here Saiyan 5 Vegeta, Saiyan 5 Vegeta, and Achilles, and that Stitch there. I have also Stitch there, yeah. So, back to me. So, guys, that's not only my figures, I have also figures upstairs. So, do not comment there like I have a few figures, but that's not true. I have figures upstairs in my room full of figures and Naruto figures. I'm gonna start Naruto figures. I think from September. I'm gonna start Naruto figures. So it's gonna finish. Start with Janemba. And see this. Kamikaze Ghost. 360 turn. Yeah. Janemba. I'm gonna quick review in Janemba. It's like a devil because of these two. This one, these two. So yeah. Yeah, this is my hair. So yeah. Favorite character in Dragon Ball Z, GT, and AF is Vegeta, and of course Kagura, Goku, and Gohan. Trunks, yeah, even Trunks. They are my top 4. Quick review: the tail, the abs, arms, with the your muscles also there, and quick 360 turn. And so 360 360 turn also with coatings. So 360 to Kamikaze Ghost. If you're gonna buy Real Works figure, make sure that they are not bootlegs, because my Real Works are not bootleg. I never had a bootleg toy. And so that's the end of our review. So bye. See you to the next video. Karang review